My name is Ramesh and I'm the founder of Ashans Foundation. We help street children in terms of formal education and non-formal education. Ashans is a Sanskrit word which means desire, hope and wish. We feel that these children have the desire to change their own situation. These children, they actually wish to be a doctor, to be engineer, to be a policeman, to be a teacher in the future. When I was brought in Mumbai by my grandfather and my grandmom, I used to stay in a good house. But then after that, once my grandfather got retired because he used to work with government, we had to shift to my dad's place. My dad used to work with Cuff Parade and they had provided us with a house there. So we used to stay in a hut. My house got demolished. The BMC people, when they came in, they actually gave us 5 minutes to evacuate the entire house. We literally was on footpath for say 1 or 2 days, and we stayed with my cousin for 1 month, and then we shifted to Nalasopara. So the biggest hurdle that I am facing right now is traveling. It takes around 2 hours from my house to reach up to the place that I am teaching the kids. I was a student in Akanksha for 10 years. Akanksha is an organization that works for slum kids. I feel that education is the only tool which can change lives. Only thing is that they don't have that support which I got from Akanksha Foundation or I got from my school. We are at Worli Century Bazaar. We teach the street children here. We're working with around 7-8 families here. The importance of doing these home visits is convincing the parents. Many a times the children do not turn up because of their family issues, like they have to go and work somewhere. The first thing that we do is कि we take a round of the street and take all the children to the classroom.
हमको बहुत खुशी होती है कि इनके पास जाएंगे, हमारे बच्चे आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। उधर जाते उनको नॉलेज मिलता है, उनको मैं आगे पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ। उनको मेरा ख्वाहिश है कि ये डॉक्टर बन जाए, इंजीनियर बन जाए, इसके लिए मैं पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. 1, 2, 3.
My name is Paramveer. I'm working as an executive with a shipping company. I have joined as a volunteer, and I spend most of my weekend time with the children, helping them in something like basic maths and English. I can't do much towards society, but at least this much I can do.
From Unlimited India, the biggest support that I could get from there was support in terms of strategic planning. How do you keep proper records of the expenses? Plus, on top of that, I really got a huge exposure to a lot of people who actually believed in the idea that we were working on. We recently formed a board, and the funding that I used to receive was only from some of my close friends. I had some kind of contact from wherein I could get 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. Unlimited India has this connect evening wherein they get people from outside. We pitch our idea to them and tell them that this is the support that we require and how can you help us out. The biggest thing that I learned from Unlimited India is never give up. Keep pursuing your passion. There are a lot of investees who are still struggling, but they're not giving up. They have this desire, they have this passion. So I feel that that inspiration that I take from them, it's very important for me. My dream is to reach out to maximum kids possible with a quality education. So as of now, we're working with 20 kids. By the end of this year, we plan to work with 200 children across Worli, Bandra, and one more at Cotton Green. Future plan is to set up an NGO, formal NGO, wherein the entire team actually reaches out to maximum kids possible across this country so that we can help support the government and plus the street children to actually get out of the situation that is not created by these children. It really inspires me to actually work with the kids here and plus, for Ashans. So Ashans is just my dream now, and I'm living my dreams.